The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Attack launched by Russian aerospace forces has resulted in the elimination of up to 100 militants from the 9th Special Regiment Gepard of Ukrainian National Guard, as well as over 50 foreign mercenaries in Zaporozhye. High-precision attack of the Russian aerospace forces has resulted in the neutralization of a provisional base of the units from the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine in the industrial area of Nikolaev. Up to 50 Ukrainian servicemen and 5 units of military equipment have been eliminated. Massive attack launched at a provisional base of the 81st Air Mobile Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic has resulted in the elimination of over 150 Ukrainian servicemen. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts near Shurovo, Solidar, Bakhmutskoye, Verkhnekamenskoye, Artyomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic, and Sukhoy Stavak in Kherson region, as well as 62 artillery units, 184 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. The list of the destroyed targets includes 3 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots near Monochinovka, Kupiansk in Kharkov region, and Brusin in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 control station for Bayraktar unmanned aerial vehicles has been destroyed near Lozovatka in Dnepropetrovsk region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 2 MiG-29 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force near Osokorovka and Rozovka in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have shot down 7 unmanned aerial vehicles near Pershotravnevoye in Kharkov region, Charivnoye and Petrovskoye in Kherson region, Valerianovka and Novoandreevka in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 1 .U tactical missile has been destroyed in the air near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, as well as 17 projectiles launched by HIMARS multiple rocket launching systems near Kherson, Otrada Kamenka, Novaya Kakhovka, Mikhailovka in Kherson region, and Kupiansk in Kharkov region. In total, 304 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,094 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,118 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 847 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,423 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,909 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.